everyone, this is Peppermint and today I'm going to show you how to clean an oil diffuser. My husband bought me this diffuser for Christmas one year, a couple years ago, and I used it for a while and then I stopped using it. And why did I stop using it? Well, it stopped diffusing, and so it would just diffuse just a little bit. This is Macy. So while we're camping here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, we're at the Fayetteville RV Resort and Cottages, and it's a nice campground. You should check it out if you're ever going to come this way. So I just happened to think and actually remember that I was using tap water in here, and we have hard water, and so anything that we use our water for, it doesn't last very long. If we buy an iron to iron our clothes with, it doesn't last very long if we use our tap water. We use distilled water in all of our appliances that require water. And I had forgotten about how hard our water was. We have problems with our washing machine. We have problems with my steam mop got clogged up, and I just run pure straight vinegar through it, and sure enough it cleared it out. And so I've watched videos on how to clean your diffuser, and I think that that's probably the problem, that it's just got some buildup in it. Not to mention it stinks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the water. Of course, make sure that you're not plugged up for this. I'm going to pour water in here. And a teaspoon of vinegar. That might be more like a tablespoon, I don't know. And this should break down everything in here and clean it pretty good. And you let it run for, if it's not that dirty, then you can just let it run for just a couple minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. But seems how it's not working very well, I'm going to let it run for about 10 minutes, and we will see what that does. Now, the research that I have done, because most of my instructional videos, I watch several videos on YouTube, and sometimes I Google it, whatever it is, and see what they say. But there were people who were using rubbing alcohol. There were people who were using vinegar, and that was most of what I saw on YouTube. Now, I did Google it, and whenever I Googled it, the internet, one of the internet sites said that you can use a tiny bit of Castile soap or a tiny bit of a gentle dishwashing liquid. Now I use Dawn and I use Palmolive, and I'm not sure that I will call Dawn a gentle dishwashing liquid. It kills bugs and stuff like that, and it'll clean just about almost anything, just about, unless you need something with bleach in it. So that's the ways that I have discovered that you can clean your diffuser with. And Jamie, I bought me, we went yard selling this past weekend, and Jamie went with me, my friend, and Macy went too, and we had a good time. And I bought this ultrasonic essential oil diffuser, Air-On. I don't know that much about it. I haven't even taken it out of the box, but I'm going to open it up. I don't know if it's been used or not, or if it come off of one of those pallets that people buy. So let's take it out and see what's going on here. Here's the cord. I only paid maybe about $2 for this, and I know they can be expensive. I think my husband paid $30 for this. I don't know if I remember if I told you that or not, but he paid about $30 for that, and I was surprised that they were so expensive. Candle warmers. Okay. Tips. Do not use metal or hard abrasive to clean the water tank. Lack of cleaning can cause the output mist to suffer. Clean and wipe dry often and allow to air dry fully. Do not use alcohol or vinegar or other corrosive cleaning agents. Clean the sonic vibration plate while it is wet. Cleaning the diffuser becomes difficult when the unit dries and the mineral buildup hardens. Well, that makes sense. The diffuser works for about 3 hours in continuous mode and up to 6 hours in intermittent mode, and will automatically shut off when water becomes low. So I'm unboxing this diffuser. This is glass, and it's a small one. Somebody has used it because I can smell it. So I'm going to clean this one, even though the directions said not to. It's not like I paid $30 for it. So I'm going to clean this one too. So here's some water. I'm going to fill it up maybe about halfway. And I'll put just a little bit of vinegar in here. What do you think about that, Mace? So now I'm going to plug these jokers in and let them both run for 10 minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, they've been running for 10 minutes now, so they should be clean. This one was really putting out the smoke, and this one, the one that I've had for a while, it was putting some out, but I don't know, it didn't look like it was doing as good a job as the other one. So let's see what we got here. If I can get a grip on it. I can still smell the perfumey smell. I'm going to pour this water out, being careful not to get any water in that. I'm going to put some clean water in it. Just a little bit. And well, let me make a little mixture of vinegar and water. How about that? Just a little bit of vinegar. And just a little bit of water. That's about 50-50. And I have a rag that I use. It's just a cotton rag. Some people used, in my video watching, some people use cotton balls. But I'm just going to use a rag. And I'm just going to wipe it out. And it's turning a little bit yellow. I'm just going to wipe the lid. You can probably emerge this part. And I have a little Q-tip, and I'm just going to very gently clean that part. And going to pour out whatever I have in there. Put some more water in it. just going to rinse it out. This one was working perfectly. There is where you do not get water. I'll use the other end of the Q-tip and clean that part. And that is how you clean the inside of a diffuser. And it's not how the instructions say, but that's what I've been gathering through videos and things like that. And don't forget, you can still use Castile soap or a gentle dishwashing liquid. So I hope this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.